Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 10 January 2022. Today's topic name is exceptional handling. So, firstly, we discuss about what is exception. Exception means abnormal condition. It is also called as unwanted and unaccepted. Uh, then we discuss about types of exception. The exceptions are divided into mainly two parts. First one is a checked exception and second one is a unchecked exception. An error considered as the unchecked exception. Then we discuss about difference between checked exception and unchecked exception. First, the unchecked exception are occurred at compile time. Then unchecked exception are occurred at runtime. Second, these are checked by the compiler and unchecked exception are checked by the are not checked by the compiler. Then third one is a checked exception are the subclass of exception class. Then unchecked unchecked exception are not subclass of exception class. Then fourth one is a checked exception need to be handled at compile time. Then unchecked exception not need to be handled at compile time. Then fifth one is a checked exception is not subclass of runtime exception, but unchecked exception is a subclass of runtime exception. Some exceptions are included in checked exception, such as IO exception, data access exception, illegal access exception, class not found exception, field not found exception, SQL exception, etc. Then unchecked such exception are used in unchecked exception, such as null point exception, array store exception, array index of bound exception, etc. Then we discuss about what is exceptional handling. In Java, exceptional handling is one of the most powerful mechanism in Java. It is handled to the runtime error, so that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. Exception handling, it can handle runtime error such as class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exceptional, class not found exception, file not found exception, etc. That's all about exceptional handling. Then we discuss about exceptional handling in Java is managed 5 keywords such as try, catch, throw, throws, and finally. We discuss one by one. First one is a try keyword. The try keyword is used to specify block, and this is block must be followed by entire catch or finally. We cannot use try block alone. Then catch keyword. The catch keyword must be preceded by a try block to handle the exception, and it can be followed by the final block. Then third one is a final block. Final keyword. Final keyword is used to execute the program whether an execution is handled or not. Then fourth one is a throw keyword. This keyword is used to throw on exception. Then last one is a throws keyword. This keyword is used to declare exception. That's all about exception handling keywords. And that's all about today's topic, exceptional handling in Java. Thank you.